How to change creator account to private on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can change creator account to private on Instagram. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to change creator account to private on Instagram, you have to understand creator accounts cannot be private. What you have to do is you have to switch from creator account to personal and from personal to private. So I will show you what the issue is. So you can see in my case, so if I open Instagram, this is actually a creator account because you can see all the professional dashboard and so on, right? So what I will do is if I want to switch to a private account, if I go to settings and then if I go to, let's say, privacy, I want to turn on private account. It says business accounts or creator accounts cannot be private. This happens because this is a business and a professional account. So what we will do instead is, first of all, we'll come to the accounts tab, scroll down, switch account type, and then switch to personal account. Now keep in mind, switching to personal account will make you lose all of your access and all of those insights and data of your followers and your account overall. So after you switch to a personal account, now you can come to privacy, and then now you can turn on the toggle next to the private account button, and now your account is going to be set to private. And this is simply how you can switch to a private account as a creator on Instagram. But as I said, there isn't a direct way. You have to switch to personal account because that is simply how it works. You cannot break the algorithm. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.